Hello, my name's Thomas Fitzmartin. I am a Southeastern University student taking an online class, and this is my art talk. This art I'm talking about is called the Adorable Carpet, and this is what it looks like. Hold on. There we go. If you can see it, that's great. I on just there, hopefully you can see it well. Um, I can at least describe it to you. It is a carpet, but not just a carpet. It's a carpet made by Islamic people. Well, it's it's made by carpet weavers. It's most people wouldn't snore would say carpet is an art, but technically it is because it makes an image, which most art is most of the time. And this I find fascinating. The reason why I picked it is not just for one thing, a new type of art, or at least an art that I have never heard of, but how much time and effort it is to putting it. Without further delay, a little background on it says that it was created during the Islamic Golden Age. It was the oldest dated carpet in the history of art, so that's something. It's the size measures up to 35 feet by 18 feet, more than 25 million knots. I don't know how what that means, but I'm going to assume that it takes a long time and effort. Like people have to literally have to put weaves in. They don't have technology to make it easily as we have nowadays. So 25 million knots. They had I don't know how long it takes for a knot, but still you had to really have to do all that. And considering what it looks like, you had to great detail. That that astounds me more than most other like art because yes, all art does take time and effort. But sometimes when you want to have art that it's not like it with a physical art where it's just like made like little pieces, not just paint where you can make broad strokes. You need to have these are like small threads or cloth, or whatever material to make. So that's something. Um, the sunburst design in the center, if you could see it, was was representing the interior of a dome in a mosque or shrine, considering it's made by Muslims. And the thing is, though, they don't put images of other people, considering it's against their culture or religion, but they do make any figurative images. For example, there's images of flowers and vines. That's a likely reference to paradise, or as a garden in the Quran. Now, putting it under context, the fact is that any material that Muslims would make, they probably would make it to honor or praise Allah, God, their version of God. And it seems like it, as it is. Well, most other art would be, but it is interesting to note seeing it for myself. Well, from the internet, but still seeing the design again, having to weave it all out, and just seeing how it is made in olden times by hand and placed in a mosque where it can be used is it's just simply amazing to me that it would take time and effort. I think that's just main reason why I just find this interesting. Yet most art takes time, but I would never think that this would, for one thing, be considered art, and that it would take a very long time. But yeah, that's probably what I would have to say. Not much else to say about it, considering it's a carpet. Uh, don't know. much about it. So I'll just have to say that the Adrible carpet is a great fiber art, and I just hoped more people would look into such things like this. Okay,